good chunk of it done. These are pretty handy, to be honest. So they slide in at the intersections behind the tile. They have these little tabs that you can break off, because in my case I don't need the fourth one on this fourth side. This one comes in handy, and then this will space it out there. So they double as these spacers. The reason I'm using these spacers too, though, is because they only had the 16th inch in stock, and I wanted an 1/8 inch grout space. But yeah, you put those in when you get all the tiles around it. You put these little caps on them, and they sort of click down, kind of like zip ties. You cinch them down nice and tight, and then it holds it so that the tile kind of planes with the ones around it, and then it stops it from moving. I've been giving these a little tug with these pliers as I push down with the other hand on the caps, just to make sure they're nice and snug. That seems to help. Makes your fingers not as raw. In the water. In the damn water. If I put the camera at this angle, you can see how I skimped on the thin set. Confession time. This sort of got grouted without getting filmed, but I'll put some clips from past grout jobs that'll make it look like we could possibly maybe be doing this one. They're right here. Should probably film some of this ugliness before it's all covered up. Aquaponics potatoes. Boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew.